Welcome back, guys. We're here in Dorrigo, checking out Dorrigo National Park. We're going to go out and have a look at the skywalk, check out the coffee shop and the information centre, and go and check out some of these waterfalls that are around the area too. So let's go check this out. Hi guys, just a short interruption here. We've been looking at our stats and we've noticed that there's a lot of you guys that are watching this that aren't actually subscribed. So just take 2 seconds of your time, it's free. Just hit that subscribe button, help our channel grow, and we can keep putting out these contents for you. So we pulled up here at Dengar Falls. We just spin you around and have a bit of a look at this. What a beautiful spot. Today there's a few people down there having a bit of a swim. So we're checking out Dengar Falls. We've checked out some of the national parks. So many walks and waterfalls around here. We're going to have a bit of a look around in town. It's only a very small town as well. But we thought we'd have to show you this. I'm not sure if we can put a drone up, but it'd absolutely be beautiful if we could. Let's see if I can. These are a couple of old photos of Dorrigo Township and the falls and a few other things around the area, and they've actually built bridges and things like that. We'll just take some of the photos and the map down to the falls. Two different walks, upper and a lower. But as you can see, there's a lot of information to have a bit of a read on. Nice play area and some toilets. It's only 10 metres or so away from the car park, the look out of the falls. Then you got this track that goes down. It says 20-minute walk. I highly doubt it's actually that long. I'm just going to go over and have a look at where it is. I don't think I'll go down today. So we're taking a bit of a drive through town, just on the western side, I think they'd be classed it as, of town. It's about 2 minutes out of town. There's a steam and railway museum. I did look it up. They're actually not operating yet, so that'd be a good one to look out for in the future if you like the old steam trains. We've come out here just to have a bit of a look anyway. It's extremely close to town, like a minute or two out. So yeah, here we are, and we're just going for a bit of a walk along the street. It's all private property, so you can't go in there yet, but all the carriages and steam trains are very close, so we thought we'd give you a bit of a look. So here we go. Got all the old, I think they class them as red rattlers still from years ago. Old carriages over there, sleepers, and there's a whole heap of them, so when they get up and running, it'll be a good look through. You follow the road up to the end there, and there's a whole heap on the other side of the left hand side up there. But these ones were the closest that we can get a better look at, so we thought we'd give you a bit of a look through the steam trains from what we can, as close as we can get anyway. Hopefully they restore them back up to as new as they can do, and make a nice museum here. That'd be great. Another great spot to check out up here in Dorrigo. As you see it, they've got quite a few in here. So this is about as far as we can go, but as you can see, not yet open to public. Inquiries through the PO box. Got some leaflets in here too.